In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and edit returns using the T5 as an example. To get to the Forms screen, in the toolbar click Forms and Forms Center. This will come up with a screen that lists all of the returns. Select the return you are doing and click Edit Slips. If your form is not listed, please see our video on configuring databases. I will start by going to the slip page by clicking Edit Slips. The fields on the slip page correspond to the information you are to include on the return. Some of the fields that have limited and set options, such as T5 recipient type, have blue triangles in the box. Double-clicking will allow you to open a selection screen listing the options available. To create a new form, in the toolbar, click the paper with a green plus sign. To delete a form, click the paper with a red X. To navigate between slips, use the arrows in the toolbar. To pull up a list of all the slips in this return type, click on the paper with the magnifying glass. Most of the slips in eForms have two tabs, a data tab for return information such as income and an advanced tab for software information such as the recipient email address. The fields marked with an asterisk in the advanced tab are only available with eForms Enterprise. There are also forms like the partnership return, which have multiple tabs representing sections of the return. At the top right of each form screen is a line of buttons that link to related returns, such as the summary. If we click Go to Summary, it'll open the summary. Some fields, like the account number field on a summary, have green arrows next to them. Clicking the green arrow will take you to the related field in a different form. In this case, it took me to the account number for T5 on the company setup screen. This has been another AvanTax eForms Quick Help video. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca